And today's date is May 9th, 2016. We're TwinsTalkStocks. We love stamps, especially ones like these. And we love stamps.com. Stamps.com Stamps.com delivered another winning quarter. Look at these Harry Potter or you could say Stamps.com sent their investors a wonderful care package. It beat first quarter earnings by 67 cents. A beat on revenues. Revenues went up 85.7%. Stamps raised guidance for 2016 for revenue and EPS. Stamps.com was down 19% year to date before releasing earnings. But in the last 12 months, Stamps.com was up 46% before releasing earnings. Stamps.com is soaring 17% after hours. Rain or shine, snow or sleet, Stamps.com delivers earning beats. Hey, that rhymes. Before today's first quarter earnings, Stamps.com had beaten earnings by an average of 43.84%. Today, it beat earnings by 63.8%. The last 5 quarters, Stamps.com has gone up 19%. It's up 17% after hours. Short interest is 19%. With short covering, don't be surprised if Stamps.com climbs higher tomorrow. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Bye.